In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a PDF into Canva. This is a handy feature if you want to redesign old documents or enhance them with Canva's creative tools. Let's dive in. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a free account before moving on. Once you're on the homepage, look to the sidebar for the Uploads tab. Inside, you'll see the option to upload files. Click on it to get started. Now, choose Upload Files. Browse your computer to locate the PDF you want to bring into Canva. Select it, then click Open. Canva will start uploading your file. Depending on its size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once complete, the PDF will appear inside your Uploads folder. Now, drag and drop your PDF into an existing project, or open it directly in a new Canva project. From here, you can edit, add text, images, or apply Canva's design tools to refresh your document. And that's it! You've uploaded a PDF into Canva and can now reimagine it with Canva's design features. It's a simple but powerful way to give your documents a fresh new look. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.